The patio, and this is where the storm's going to be hitting the hardest. All boarded up. Here's the front. The front's mainly boarded up, just a few windows left open for some light and so that we can see what's going on. Dogs have been secured, and don't worry, there is AC in here. Turtles have been secured. Geese have been secured. Sven has been secured. Pink belly side neck turtles have been secured. Teal, secured. Steve has been secured. Puppies, and more puppies have been secured. Jumpy has been secured. Cat, and other cat have been secured. Hello.
Okay, update. So basically they are freaking, and this big white thing is their pee-pees, and it comes out the side of their head. And they're both gonna get fertilized.
This is my duck. His name is Kevin. He's a really good boy. Watch this. All right, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Here, Kevin. Good boy.
Whose horse is that?
Ik ben lid, langer van kastje.
No. Nope.
I heard you guys enjoy tiny things, so
This is Todd. Todd is a baby Cuban tree frog. Do you have a place in your heart for Todd? He just wants to be your pal.
Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
Hi, Coda.
Hi, Bee. Do you want a bottle of milk? Are you hungry?
Found my new favorite bodily sound.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her.
Your behavior has been disgusting. Making me go outside to get you. Does Miss Krilicki have anything to say?
So we're hanging out here with Kangaroo Kaylin, and we're going to check on her baby, see how she's doing. And this is how we check in the pouch on their babies. And there we go.
Come on, dude, I'm helping you.
Oh my God. Odie! Stop that! Get out of there! Stop! Jesus! Odie! Can you behave for 5 seconds? Be nice to Kane, please. Quit being a nerd. Stop it!